$16,000 with this simple Fiverr trick. In this video, I am going to show you all this in a step-by-step manner, and I will also show you the name of the software that most of the people are using on Fiverr. Please make sure that this is a highly demanding service. There is a potential for new entrants. So if you are a new and you have not created this service, definitely you can create this service and start your journey from today. It is very simple to perform because all you need is to use that software, and within a click of a few buttons you are ready to go to use that thing. Good earning potential. People are earning over $1,000 per month using this strategy. So if you're interested, I recommend you to watch this video till the end, and definitely you will get a lot of value from this video. Before getting to know about the strategy, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have placed the link in the description box. You can start your journey from today. So let's move to Fiverr.com. If you do not know about Fiverr, Fiverr is actually a freelancing platform where you can create your profile and sell your service to different buyers. You can create any specific gig or any specific service in which you have an interest or in which you know about something. You can create about video marketing, digital marketing, graphic designing, logo designing, article writing, tech related, business related, music and audio related. So just search for thumbnail YouTube or YouTube thumbnail creator, something like that, because in this strategy we are actually going to create thumbnails for YouTube videos. Definitely you can see that people create millions of videos on a daily basis, and those videos will get uploaded on YouTube, and those videos definitely require or needed a thumbnail. So what most of the people do, they will visit Fiverr, Upwork or other freelancing platform, and they hire people to make thumbnail for their video, because thumbnail is one of the most significant ranking factor in YouTube videos. If your thumbnail is of a better quality or is attractive, definitely you will have a good CTR. CTR stands for click-through rate. So let's suppose people search something on YouTube and they browse through different videos, and if your thumbnail has an attractive images or attractive writing in it, definitely people will start clicking on your video. And once most of the people will start clicking on your video just because of your attractive thumbnail, your video will get improved in YouTube ranking. So that's how you can get more views, and more views means more income. So that's the beauty of creating an attractive thumbnail. So just move downward on Fiverr, you can see that people are actually selling different thumbnails. I will design 3 amazing YouTube thumbnails in 12 hours, selling it for $10. I will design amazing YouTube thumbnails in 3 hours, selling it for $5. So you can also look at the reviews: 61 reviews, 252 reviews, 23 reviews, 471 reviews, 1k plus reviews, 100 reviews, 500 plus reviews. So you are seeing that people are making some decent income after selling YouTube thumbnails. 1k plus, nearly 1k, nearly 500 reviews. So a lot of people are selling this service and they are making some decent income. If I just open up 1 or 2 services, let's suppose if I open up this service, I have already opened up, I will design 3 YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours. This guy has received over 1000 reviews and 2 orders are in queue, and he is selling basic, standard and premium. Basic for $10, 3 YouTube thumbnail package, standard for $20 and premium for $40. So if I just take this gig as an example and bring out my calculator here, let's suppose this gig has received 1000 reviews. So if I just write 1000 multiply by the amount, so which figure you can take? There are 3 types: basic for 10, standard for 20 and premium for $40. So let's suppose if I take standard as an intermediate package. So just multiply this figure by $20. Even this is the review amount, number of reviews this gig has received. But as per my experience, 50% of the people, or even less than 50% of the people, will actually give you the review. So it means over 2000 people have bought this gig, and out of 2000 people, 1000 people have given the review. So just we take it 1000 and multiply this by the average amount, $20. So we will come up an amount that is $20,000. 20% will be cut by the Fiverr, so it means we will have 0.8, so $16,000 we have earned, or this gig has earned $16,000 just from this one simple gig. You can see the potential here. Even this gig has earned more than this, but at least this guy has earned $16,000 just from one simple gig, all by creating YouTube thumbnails. You can also open up some other gigs and search for the potential here. You can see that 1K plus, 386 reviews, 204 reviews. So people are earning some decent income. Now you may be thinking that how you can perform this type of service and start your journey from Fiverr. There are actually different ways. I will show you some of the ways. There are actually 4 ways I recommend you to start your journey with Fiverr, and these are the 4 ways, but my most recommended way is the last way. This is my most recommended software. I will just going to show you how you can use this software and create those beautiful, eye-catching and attractive thumbnails within just click of a button. But if you wanted to use some other software like Canva is a free to use software. Just create your account on Canva, and just once you create your account with Canva, you can see that there are different types of graphic designs out there. Just search here for YouTube thumbnail. So this is the YouTube thumbnail. Just click on YouTube thumbnail, and you can create your YouTube thumbnail from different themes out there, or different templates out there. Some of these templates are free and some of these are paid. Also you can upload your photos from your computer and you can create your thumbnail. I just do not want it to create total video about the Canva here, but you can look at or search at Google about how you can create your thumbnail on Canva. But definitely you can use Canva as a free tool and create eye-catching or beautiful thumbnail. The second option is PicMaker. PicMaker is a software or a website that you can use as a free tool. Just create your account, and just after creating your account, free thumbnail maker for YouTube. Click on create yours for free. Here you can search for different things. We are actually creating thumbnails, so just YouTube thumbnails, and you can see that there are stunning templates out there. All you need is to just pick up any template and edit that template as per the requirement of your customer, and you are ready to download that thumbnail, and you can send that thumbnail to your customer and earn money. So again, it is a good tool to use. Now let's move to our third tool, that is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is highly recommended, but it is a software you need to learn. And once you search for different tutorials on YouTube, there are a lot of free tutorials out there. All you need is to just go through those tutorials, and after some time, with the passage of time, you will get to know how you can create attractive thumbnails on Photoshop. But definitely it requires skill, it requires training, and it requires experience in order to master the art of creating thumbnails or creating different graphic designs for your customers. And if you do not want it, or if you do not have any experience, or you just wanted to use any shortcut, then this is my favorite software. If I just show you the name of that software, the name of that software is Thumbnail Blaster. I will take you the website of this Thumbnail Blaster. This is the thumbnailblaster.com, and create attention grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks. with the world's only artificial intelligence thumbnail creation app. It is a great app, and if you just move downward, easy to use, drag and drop. You can also split test those thumbnails. Just upload two thumbnails for a single video, so this software will automatically choose one thumbnail for a specified period of time and the second thumbnail for the specified period of time, and it will let you know which thumbnail is performing well for your video. Artificial intelligence customization, multi-platform, and 30 templates with the basic package. Keep remember that this is a paid software, but it does worth it. If you just move downward, you can see that there are clients. Step 1, select one template. Step 2, click edit, customize, and step 3, publish and get views. These are few of the templates. You can see that very eye-catching templates that definitely catches your attention audience. And just going to show you, you can just move downward and see that. If you just look at the pricing structure, just click on the pricing. There are actually 3 pricing options: $37, $87, and $147 for the agency. But keep remember that it is a not monthly option. It is a just one-time fee. So if you just pay for $37 at upfront, it is just one-time fee, and you can create unlimited thumbnails, 30 templates instantly, and these are the different options with different types of accounts. So definitely they have different upsells as well, but if you do not want to pay for those upsells, you can use Thumbnail Blaster on its own by just paying these either $37 or $87 or $147. I recommend you to start your journey with the $37, as you can create unlimited thumbnails with 30 templates instantly. However, if you just go for their monthly purchase option or one upgrade, it will allow you additional 20 templates per month. And you can see that there are a lot of differences here. And with the agency account, you can add multiple channels and accounts, artificial image analysis, image filters, remove background for images, agency rights, load clients YouTube account. You can also add your client's account into the Thumbnail Blaster, and you can do whatever you want as per your service you are selling on Fiverr. So I highly recommend this software for you, and if you wanted to buy that software, I will put that discounted link in my description box below. You can use that link and buy that Thumbnail Blaster. I highly recommend you. It does worth it, and I recommend you to at least start with $37 one-time investment. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.